Scientific method SOL review. We've got question number 1 here. And with question number 1, we're going to be putting the steps of the scientific method in order from 1 to 6. The instructions here, if you listen to the instructions, it says to remember that only people have eggnog during Christmas. All right, so let's put these together. Now, I'm going to do mine with a little drawing of the arrows. Back to my memory device, only people have eggnog during Christmas. So step 1 is going to be an observation. When we're talking about observation, we're talking about using our senses to detect things in the natural world. So we can see something, we can hear something, we can smell something, taste something, or touch something. After that, we will come up with a question or problem. So our question or problem is about something that we have observed. So based upon our observations, there's something that we need to know, something we want to know, something we need to figure out. After we have our question or problem, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to share our thoughts, our ideas, our take on the answer to this question or problem. And that is our hypothesis, our educated guess, which at this point is not right and it's not wrong because it's just our guess. After we kind of lay out how we think things are going to go, then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to test that hypothesis with experimenting. And when it comes to the scientific method, the majority of the information that you might see on an SOL test is going to come about the experiment, the groups in the experiment, the flaws in an experiment, the variables in the experiment. And from the experiment, we're going to receive information. This information could be numerical or it could be something that we have to describe. So that's going to be our collecting and analyzing data, which can be quantitative and numerical or qualitative and something that we must describe. And then after that, we will come up with our conclusion. And our conclusion is basically our answer to our hypothesis, if we were correct or incorrect. And we're going to back up that with information from our data.